Are you stoked to see the tech that's going to change everything? Buckle up, because this is going to blow your mind. Why did the computer go to therapy? It had too many bytes. Now, let's dive into the top 10 innovations shaping our future. Chapter 110, Internet of Things, IoT. Many industries have not yet realized significant returns from the widely discussed technologies like the Internet of Things. This is largely due to their investments in these technologies without establishing the essential infrastructure and effective data management foundation. The full potential of extracting valuable insights from interconnected or intelligent devices remains largely unexplored. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $30 billion. Number 9, sustainable technology. Growing recognition of climate change and the phenomenon of global warming is poised to drive greater interest in sustainable technology. These technologies rely on diverse sustainable energy sources for operation. Notable examples of sustainable technology encompass electric vehicles, vertical farming practices, and solar panel systems. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $62 billion. Number 8, robotics. Robotics includes the creation, production, conceptualization, and functioning of robotic systems. The field of robotics has witnessed a significant surge in interest, with numerous governments and enterprises making substantial investments. Robotics involves the application of robots in a wide range of sectors and services. Particularly, industrial robotics is experiencing a surge in popularity, driven by the advancements in AI and AutoML. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $218 billion. Number 7, smart transportation. Smart transportation integrates contemporary technologies, location-based services, and computer vision into the realm of transportation. It encompasses elements such as traffic management systems and autonomous vehicles. Among these, traffic management systems represent the most substantial component within the domain of smart transportation. As urban areas continue to grapple with rising congestion, the need for smart transportation solutions is poised for further growth. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $252 billion. Number 6, AR and VR. Real-life holodecks and Pokemon Go on steroids. Virtual reality is predominantly found in the form of VR headsets, such as the Oculus Quest and PlayStation VR. It typically provides a 360-degree visual virtual environment, offering a range of simulations that vary from minimally immersive to fully immersive experiences. The possibilities of entering a virtual realm, akin to the holodeck depicted in Star Trek, are truly astounding. They extend from present-day medical training to potential applications in mental health care, from long-distance tourism to virtual real estate tours. Moreover, for those inclined, Ready Player One style worlds are readily accessible. On the other hand, augmented reality involves overlaying digital information onto your real-time, real-world surroundings. A prime example of AR's popularity is the phenomenon of Pokemon Go, which saw people gathering in parks to capture digital creatures on their smartphones. In the retail industry, you can use your phone to observe a dynamic arrow on the ground in a store, guiding you to the correct aisle. When it comes to inventory management, you can instantly identify the specific box's location in the warehouse. Essentially, nearly every sci-fi vision involving high-tech eyewear is progressively becoming more plausible with each passing day. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $455 billion. Number 5, cybersecurity, because nobody wants their data stolen. Cybersecurity includes the safeguarding and mitigation of digital risks. The increased adoption of technologies such as cloud computing and the growth of e-commerce platforms have heightened their vulnerability to cyber threats. Consequently, the demand for cybersecurity continues to surge as a growing trend. This field stands as one of the most lucrative and forward-looking technologies that can lead to substantial financial success. Valuation in 2030, $502 billion. Number 4. Space technology. As science continues to progress, the emergence of space technology stands out as one of the most notable developments. The appeal of space technology has experienced continuous growth, particularly with the advent of private enterprises such as SpaceX. This industry encompasses a wide array of applications, including space tourism, space exploration, satellite production, and launch services. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $1 trillion. Love Vector 3, AI. It's everywhere, from your email to healthcare. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of the technological revolution, making its presence felt in virtually every sector, from healthcare and automotive to aerospace. Generative AI is now used for basic daily activities, such as composing emails. The presence of artificial intelligence is evident, and a substantial anticipated value underscores the substantial potential for growth. Valuation in 2030, $1.85 trillion. Summary 2. Semiconductors. The backbone of all tech advancements. As technology continues to progress, there has been a notable increase in the need for semiconductors. These components find extensive applications across diverse fields, including electronics, industrial machinery, automobiles, and communication devices. The rise of AI and the Internet of Things has further amplified the requirement for semiconductor memory chips. Consequently, the semiconductor sector is intricately interconnected with a multitude of other leading-edge technologies. Valuation in 2030, $1.88 trillion. Number 1. Cloud computing. The sky's the limit. Cloud computing means the delivery of various services via the internet. Companies utilize these services to enhance their operational effectiveness, as cloud computing allows them to access cost-effective solutions that may have been expensive to develop independently. Prominent players in the cloud computing industry include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Forecasted valuation in 2030, $2.43 trillion. Stay tuned for more tech awesomeness. Like, share, and subscribe.